up, people? I got y'all on a 4 hourly, and as y'all can see, everything is still going according to plan. We got a 1 hit, 2 hit, the 3rd hit, and like I told y'all, they was gonna fake y'all out to get people to think it's an actual markup phase in the market, as in a bull run, just to fake y'all all out again. I tried to warn y'all just in case y'all caught up in it. To let me go over here on the 4 hourly so y'all can literally see. No, I'm gonna show y'all on the daily, so I can show y'all exactly how I knew they was gonna go up to that level and reverse the markets. Anyways, you can see we came up around here around 21.5, reverse, came down, and they tried to fake as if we going back up to the upside by bouncing off the 50 EMA and then quickly getting rejected by the 20. You see the way they did that? And then, like I told y'all, whenever they make this first drop, they're going to recover everything they just came. Like, look, it started right here, and look, we already below it. They literally came down and recovered everything that fast. All the way, you know what I'm saying, from the past few weeks when you think things was going up. But still, like I said, they were staying in the same zone, trying to trick you out your money. Now, on the daily, checking on the daily, right? You see these two dojis? That red one and the green one right here? Guess where it's at? Look at the dotted line. That's how I know they was going to reverse the markets right there. And you can see that top of the candlestick like you already know. You know what I'm saying? So boom. Now we below. And like I told y'all, look at where it's at now. I told y'all it's coming around 19 range, 19.5 range. Check my previous video. And then the next candle, like I told y'all, the real candlestick is right here at 18.5. Once it get down here, because next, you know what I'm saying, once you get down to 18.5, that's when we can really start seeing moves. And y'all better jump ship. I'm just throwing it out there again. If I haven't showed y'all enough evidence that you can read these charts, and I'm trying to explain this and try to get y'all to understand how I can read these charts by little things. You know, such as thing I just showed y'all, these dojis way back here, which basically showed you that that's extreme. It's like they fight for price, basically. So that's how you find a support/resistance line. So you see right there, obviously, you see a wick right there to the general range, another wick, the close of the candles. You know, like it's so obvious. And also it's like recovering half of this candlestick too. You know what I mean? That's what it was doing. But now we're clearly going down because I already showed y'all the signs. Boom, and that's just on the daily, you know what I mean? We got our 3 hits to the top and also to the bottom. Because you can see this right here, this is a drop right here. 1 drop, 2 drop, this is a 3rd drop to the bottom. That's why I actually broke through. And see, I can share on the 4 hourly. Yeah, you see it clear. You see 1, 2, 3. Now look at the dotted line. You see, that's a support level. Supported once, supported twice. 3rd, broke through exactly where you see the candles literally break between there. Exactly where the 100 EMA at. Perfect. So let me hit y'all on the weekly though. Take this drawing though. Like I showed y'all, this right here was confirmation that this was the last attempt to the high, and now we're clearly getting rejected exactly at this 20 EMA like I mentioned before. And look again, 1 hit to the top, 2 hits, 3 hits. This is a head and shoulder formation right here. It's about to drop to the next zone. Like I said, $10,000 at the very least, because the support, not the support level, but where it started from, the head and shoulder formation. Boom, that's the next support level, basically, from where we're at right now. And like I keep telling y'all, after we hit that 10,000 range, we come up hit the 14,000 and then recover the rest of the markets. But at the same time, always keep in mind, $10,000 range is extremely volatile. And to be honest, at any point in time, even we make this drop right now, we could go down to $5,000 at any point in time. I'm just throwing it out there because they can wipe out this market because there's no more support. There's no more playing the EMAs. It is free game. And they already gave us enough warning. And I'm giving y'all enough warning. And I explained to y'all on every time frame, there is nothing else they can point out. Literally, this is the last thing. It's the 3 hits to this 20 EMA right here on the weekly chart. I'll show y'all the monthly chart. Look, we already came down, dropped below the 50. Right here, this candlestick came back up, touched the 50, and got rejected. And now we're just sitting here. They just been playing along. And it's the monthly chart. The reason why we're finally making the move now, because this is the third month. 1 month, 2 month, third month, we have to make a move. Like I said, they literally showing you, obviously. And then you see right here, boom, well, it's 10,000. Easy. They'll definitely recover, you know what I'm saying, all the way down here to the very least, you know what I mean, around 6,500. But this on the monthly chart, but I'll be showing y'all on a weekly chart. The weekly chart showing around 5,500, you know what I'm saying. If you want to get technical, you know what I'm saying, all it down. I could give you the exact number if I really wanted to, but ain't no point doing all that. Because, you know what I'm saying, you know the general range whenever it comes down here. All you got to do is just learn the charts, and you can literally find the exact number easily by looking right up here where the highs and lows at a particular candlestick standpoint. At. You gotta look at the wicks and look at the closes of every box, because it's clear as day. But like I showed y'all every time, so boom, I just showed y'all the monthly, weekly, boom, 3 hits to the 20. The 20 is below the 100. Obviously not a good sign. We got the daily, we got the 1 hit to the 50, 2 hits. This is the third hit right here, this whole thing, because we just bounced off of it, but we never bounced off of it, like got out the zone. Because in the event we do have a reversal, right, we could come up here to the general zone. This just in case. Did not 22,500, just because we had this to recover this candlestick. And once again, 3 tries, but we'll never come up here and hit this 100 EMA. I extremely doubt that, but this is just in case they wanted to play around and make a quick recovery to trick people. But I really believe it's about that time to go down, because they've been playing around too long. I mean, look at this zone. We've been in this zone for so long, man. Since June. The same zone since June. So, yeah, they got to make a move. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.